Since 2016, the School of Visual Arts has played an integral role in the Sigma Run, with teachers and students volunteering to create our iconic start line mural each year. And I must tell you, months after the actual race, when I drive down Knutsford Boulevard, it really lifts my heart.
We're really very grateful for the decision that you had taken to include us in the 25th staging of the Sagicor Sigma Corporation Run. The donation from corporate Jamaica and others is not just an investment in bricks and mortar, but as you say, Mr. Zach, and I'll add to that, it's an investment in the future of art in Jamaica and the Caribbean, and the future of art education in the international arena.
When we witnessed the damage to the studio by a fire, it was an easy decision for us to support this rebuilding. From our then record-breaking sum of $91.8 million raised that year, in 2023, $25 million was allocated to support this cause. And today we are thrilled to finally break ground for a new and improved facility where students and faculty can continue to create, innovate, and inspire.
A support for the arts, which was spoken about in the introductory remarks of the principal and also Mr. Zaka, that they are very important to the development of this country and to the image that this country presents to the world, because art is one of those intangible creative activities that man has engaged in from prehistoric times. It's the oldest activity of man, creating. And to be creative and to encourage creativity, I think, is extremely important.